This guy ain't playing, is he?
Well, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Look at him checking out. I ain't touching that. What's wrong with you? That piece of shit stinks.
Like, what, are you high? Yeah, he's right.
I'll probably be digging him out tomorrow.
Well, I
He's
get
even riper. He's opened his mouth. But he's thinking about it.
I think he gave us the answer on what he was going to do with that one.
Yeah. This one there.
Yeah.
Let's get out here.
Hey, man, eat it.
My sister will really love this. Eating that monkey. He ain't playing no games.
There's a little baby cow in there one time. He tore that thing up. It was dead. You know, we killed the cow and we didn't know the cow was pregnant. Had a little baby in. I think we had a little baby in there. She was already dead. The mother chomped that right up. Quick. He was splashing water all over the place. If he could swallow that buster whole, I guess he was trying to get in his mouth right.
Actually, he's just setting it up so Asher here can take a good picture. Nice being on camera, apparently. You know, realize as long as he plays with that, as long as he'll be out with the camera.
Oh, for some reason my battery's dying out. Man, look at Mug go crazy. Man, I can still smell that nasty monkey. It was probably dead in the tree for about 2 days and then just fell out. I can imagine that bad boy latching on my leg.
That'd hurt.
I'd go ahead and shoot myself.
Well, it could have been dead that long because it. Yep. Oh, he.
Oh.
I thought he had him right where he wanted him. Yep.
Oh, no. I'll leave it off.
Oh boy, don't play. Tail and shit sticking out his mouth.
He ate it.
Yeah, he did.
Now it's time to go feed the bull. Shut up.
I don't know, she was angry and she didn't care.
Yeah, kittens over there.
Big household cat tearing my body up. God, that's beautiful.
I feel like that.
I don't like house cats.
That's big cats, huh?
I don't mind these cats that tear my ass up.
Tiger's over there. Piggy.
Hey, puppy. Puppy. It's a damn cat. I'm calling it a puppy.
Yeah, there's a piggy there. Not lying.
Yeah, I see him. This one snapped at us too.
eyes?
Cougars, yeah.
That's it. What is that?
I don't know what that crazy cat is.
Cheetah?
No, cheetah's that monkey on Tarzan. Nice growl. We walked right by the little monkey.
Yeah, they're over there. And what's that?
Hey, cool dude. You look like my ex-wife. You're hiding for there, Chief. You're not gonna come in real clear.
Got a hole right there.
Sometimes, yeah, you can zoom right through the screen. Well, I don't think you can get out, man. Where's your amigo? You piss on me, I'll kill you.
We have bullets.
Okay, I think I got enough of you guys. Yeah. Pygmy deer for a pygmy country. Oh, warthogs.
Yeah.
I didn't even know those were up here. Well, you guys seem pretty cool, but I'm running out of battery space.
So we're gonna go up here.
Quarters 1, 2, 3, Roger, but they have no idea who is in that building.
See, we're trying to zoom in on the fence again. It's not going to work. You guys don't mind if I get closer, do you?
No, I just don't really want.
Okay.
It's that horrible.
For being cat. This is for my grandfather, because he loves snakes so much. I'm just going to move up from snake to snake. Let him see all. Oh, there's two of them in there now. Yuck, I hate these things.
Got a spread lamp over here.
Yeah, I'm going to get that too. Look at all that snake. Just ruin your whole day. This bird lance, extremely poisonous. Real unhappy.
Right. Big snake.
I think water just dropped on my camera. It's one hell of a snake. This is all for my grandfather, because he loves snakes.
I'll get a picture of the kitty cat.
Well, hold your horses. I'll get pictures of cats. I don't really care about damn cat.
You don't like snakes in the first place.
Oh, I hate snakes. This just reminds me what snake's not happy at all. Now look what you done. You went and got the vultures all stirred up. You're angry, aren't we? Okay, we're gonna leave you going up to your brother and up here. Got his mouth all open. Trust me, I ain't getting no closer than this. Yeah, I agree. Caiman are small.
And why is there a turtle in there with a caiman?
Can't eat the turtle.
Give it a good shot. That's your light there. Oops, sorry.
Well, we should throw this guy in there with the alligator and see what happens.
I think alligator to eat him. Tell you the
More
truth.
than likely. Hey, Chief, what's up? Ain't got no food for you. Yeah.
Nice picture taking.
You know, you guys are an endangered species in Cuba, right? You look cool, though.
Balls itch.
You need to have a doctor take a look at that. You like your little revenge, huh? They put you in a cage so you scratch your balls at everybody. That's okay, I got your number. You're still cool. You're my mascot from now on.
Yeah. The good Monday. Please, huh?
What? I guess that's what that translates to. We call you guys Nickies. I don't know what your real name is. You're cool, though. I hit you with the Cherokee, threw the alignment all out.
Tell them that. They'll appreciate that.
Oh, they're hearing everything right now. Cool little guys.
I like good Monday better.
I think when you guys were created, they didn't know what the hell they wanted you to be. A pig, squirrel, rabbit, God knows what.
Ooh, weasel.
No, it's
Tyra.
a Tyra.
Tyra.
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, a giant weasel. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Oh, you seem cool enough. Yeah. Ricky Ticky Tavi. Mind if I get... Don't see a whole bunch of you guys where I live. See where they're feeding that snake?
Huh?
Common Black Hawk, huh? Okay. I always thought a Black Hawk was a helicopter.
Yeah, me too. We're here fish. Like a kite.
Kite, that's a Jew. This is a bird.
No, kite is a Jew. Kite.
That boy don't get to it first. I gotta get him something.
Oh, that's a snack to him.
Yeah.
Oh, he's looking right at it, too.
Yeah, he hears him coming.
Shit.
Well, that rat's gonna walk right up on him.
You know, he ain't no jungle fighter.
Holy mother of pearl.
Swallow that motherfucker. Anyone in that fucking squeeze in, he just swallow.
How long's that anaconda?
15 foot 2 inches.
Ooh. He's a little bit long. Are they poisonous?
No, they just crush you.
Oh, they'd crush you in a heartbeat, wouldn't
Well, I wouldn't give him time. I'd kill myself.
they? And I'd kill the snake.
15 foot 2 inches. That's a lot of damn snake. I see you creeping up there.
Again.
Look at him tuck his nose back in.
Oh my God. Look right at
Oh,
him.
that rat stupid.
Looked right at him and walked away. You are stupid, man.
Where's the boa?
Over there, in the corner.
Oh, no wonder we couldn't see him.
Yeah, he's just laying there.
If I get this boa moving here.
I want to see the rat go swimming. Should drop him in the water.
That's what I like to see. Someone pissing off a snake. Where'd the rat go?
Over there.
And I'm running out of battery juice.
Oh, here's the bowling man down here. Now they're gonna fight. Man, I kind of can't fly.
Yeah, that bowling's pretty big.
Jeepers creepers.
Take your take.
Smile. Your uncandid camera. Oh, you're cute enough, if nothing else.
I don't remember the activity, man. You got a tail.
You ain't got no tail.
There you go. Hey man, you want one of them
Film.
batteries?
Battery, whatever. Battery film.